Friends, very good afternoon. So in this video we are going to learn about a problem on economic order quantity. As we know that EOQ is the part of inventory management technique. So whenever the manufacturing industries do not want to go for bulk purchase, then they will order a certain quantity of raw material from time to time. So EOQ will tell us the perfect standard quantity used by a company to calculate the inventory which is required by a manufacturing industry. Okay, so to calculate EOQ, economic order quantity, we must know the demand. Demand means how much quantity required, how much quantity raw material required by a company for a financial year, and what will be the ordering cost and what will be the holding cost. If we know all these three aspects, then we can able to calculate economic order quantity. So as we know that as per our classroom discussion, economic order quantity is calculated by square root of 2 into D into CO divided by CH. Okay, where D is representing for the total demand or the total raw material required for a financial year. CO means ordering cost, CH means holding cost. If we know all these three values of these three variables, we can find out economic order quantity. Now let's work out an example to calculate economic order quantity. So here is an example. Let's say a company DX is used uniformly the raw material for the entire year, and the data about annual requirement, ordering cost, holding cost of the material is given below. So the annual requirement is 2400 units. This is nothing but D. Ordering cost is nothing but 10 rupees per order. This is represented by ordering cost CO, and this is called total demand D, and holding cost means represented by CH. So in this problem, the total demand is given as 2400, and ordering cost CO is equivalent to $10 per order, and holding cost CH is equivalent to 30 rupees per unit. Now as we know that EOQ is represented by Q, and it is calculated by square root of 2 into CO into D divided by CH. Okay, this implies square root of 2 into CO means ordering cost, that is 10 rupees per order, so into 10, into D means the total demand per annum, this is 2400, whole divided by holding cost CH means sorry, this is not 30 rupees, this is 0.30, that is cents, that means 0.30. This implies, so if you multiply 2 into 10 into 2400 will give us 48,000 divided by 0.30 square root. This implies so this is nothing but square root of 1,60,000. So if you apply square root for 1,60,000, we are getting 400. So the economic order quantity is nothing but 400. This means that the manufacturing industry which is mentioned in this question should order 400 if it is in tons, say this is in units, so 400 units of raw material per annum, I mean per order. Okay, now in the exam we other than EOQ, we may ask you to find out the number of orders per year. So as we know that, see, per order we need to calculate, we need to order 400 units. Now the question is, now in this question is asking for how many orders we need to place in a year. So obviously the number of orders can be calculated by the annual demand, that is D divided by economic order quantity value. So here the total demand is, as per the question, the total demand is 2400 divided by EOQ means 400. So if you cancel 400 and 406 times, so this means the company has to make 6 orders in a year. Okay, so we might ask you one more question, that is what is the same in the same question in the exam, he may ask you one more question like this: what is the time gap between the orders. Okay, so this is nothing but the total time. See, in a year we will have 365 days divided by how many orders we need to make? 6 orders. So 365 days divided by 6, it will give you 365 divided by 6, it will give you 60.83 days. This means that the company has to make order for the company has to make each order for every 60.83 days. So this is about economic order quantity, very important for exam. And this we have already discussed in the class, and similar question we have given in the what we call mid exam also. Thank you very much.